Thank you. I'm feeling much better.
You're still weak and need to eat meat for regaining energy. I'll find some food for Mr. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Hi, Rudolph. Check out what I just found. It's a remote dinosaur planet. Wow, that's great. I love dinosaurs. There are so many dinosaurs living in different periods. They only existed in books, but now we can see them directly. That's great. Let's get to know these dinosaurs together and become dinosaur experts. Okay. Captain Kiki, Mew Mew, Hank, Rudolph, Momo. Set off! Wow, this must be the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Look, it seems to be in pain. Let's see if we can be of any help. Little Panda Rescue Team, let's go at once.
Oh no, my tooth, my tooth.
Mr. Tyrannosaurus Rex, what's the matter?
Please.
Magic Watch. Activate the checkup device. The results show that Mr. Tyrannosaurus Rex is weak and hasn't had anything for a long time. When scanning its teeth, we have found a decayed tooth that needs to be pulled out as soon as possible. Mr. Tyrannosaurus Rex, please open your mouth. Yay! All worms have been removed. Now, let's extract the decayed tooth. Tie a rope to the decayed tooth first. Wow! The teeth of Tyrannosaurus Rex are so large!
Thank you. I'm feeling much better.
You're still weak and need to eat meat for regaining energy. I'll find some food for Mr. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Magic Watch, activate the transformation device. Captain Kiki, Super Transformation! The bite force of break through these obstacles. Meat is hidden behind these obstacles. Break through the obstacles to get the meat. Oh no! The velociraptor is here for the food! Yeah! Bring the meat to Mr. Tyrannosaurus Rex! This meat is for you, Mr. Tyrannosaurus Rex. You can eat it. Mr. Tyrannosaurus Rex likes to eat meat, which is good source of energy.
Thank you, little heroes. You do me a big favor.
We have built a dinosaur paradise. Why don't you come and play with us when you're free?
Yes, let's go.